Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video we are going to walk through how to create an alert policy in your Exchange Admin Center in Office 365. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened Exchange Admin Center, and if you see under mail flow you have this alert policies. So these are two system policies created by default. But if you want to create a new policy, you can always click plus new alert policy. First thing, give it a name. So I'll put test alert policy. You want to put a description, but it's not mandatory. Next, edit settings. You got to assign a severity. See, they have described it. Assign a category and severity level to help you manage the policy and any alerts it triggers. You'll be able to filter on these settings from both the alert policies and view alert pages. Perfect. Severity, none, high, medium, low. I select medium. Category, mail flow. Triggered an alert when the following insight is generated: mail loop, slow transport rule, new users forwarding, new domains being forwarded, certification expiry. So if I select this, then what do you want? Like, you want to send an email, send the email, and then to whom you want to notify, put the email address, notification limit you want to put, do, and then at the end you review and finish. So this was just test, so I'm not going to go through those steps, but I hope the process is clear to you, isn't it? I hope so. So please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.